Okay, so this is what it's giving. It looks really natural already. And I ain't even did nothing for real yet. Okay. But actually, I haven't used it with makeup yet. I just be using it on my skin. And it's been helping it a lot. So we just gonna drop a little bit right there. Drop some red. Oh, shit. Oh, 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 it's cold.
Mama, stop playing making beats again.
Alright, my peeps, this is your girl Retouch Shade, and I am here for part 2 of my everyday look. Alright, now as you can see, my eyebrows are already done, the concealer is already on and everything. So we just gonna jump into this look. Yeah, so hopefully this video won't be too long. I'm about to do a little razzle dazzle, show you how I get what I need to get. And if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But yeah. Like stated in part 1 of this video, all the products that I will, well, most of the products that I will be using are from Walmart. So they're like e.l.f. products. I have some Maybelline products, some Kiss lashes, but I don't even know if I'm gonna do these because I hate lashes. I have a black Radiance contour palette. Most of it is from drugstores or Walmart or whatever you want to call them, supermarkets, all that stuff. But the other stuff I am using is like Anastasia, whatever her name is. This, Fenty. I might be using some, MAC. I don't know. It's just how I feel. That's what I use. How my look, depending on how my look come out, that's what I'm using. So just bear with me. And we're gonna get this started, okay? We already moisturized with Pond's in part 1 of this video. So we're gonna go in with our e.l.f. What is this? Sun Kissed Booster Drop. And I'm just gonna apply this to my face. I got this from Walmart and it was like $10. Yeah, which I thought was expensive. But I like how it works so far. But actually, I haven't used it with makeup yet. I just be using it on my skin. And it's been helping it a lot. So we just gonna drop a little bit right there. Drop some right. Oh, shit. Oh, 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 it's cold. Okay. Put it on to your liking. If you think you need more, put on more. If you think you don't, then don't. Okay. I'm going to take my darkest, because I have, okay, let me just break this down for y'all because a lot of y'all ain't gonna understand. I have 2 foundations. I am two-toned. You can't really see it on camera, but then you can. But I'm really two-toned. And instead of contouring because I don't like to do that, I use 2 shades. Now my 355, which is coconut, from Maybelline, goes under my eyes, T-zone, whatever. The 360, which is Mocha, goes around my face, okay? So first, I think I'm gonna start with the coconut. Like I said, I ain't no professional, so don't hold me to it. If your face don't come out like mine, that has nothing to do with me. Like, it really don't. I'm trying to give y'all what I do and what works for me. So this might not work for everybody, but that's okay. It worked for me. I'm just showing y'all how I do my face. Don't come for me in the comments. Okay? Wait, which one is this? Oh, this is the 355. All right. Take the lightest shade. Just a little bit on your brush. Start off with a little bit because you don't want to be wasting no product. So I'm gonna go under my eye. Okay, and remember, I am using natural lighting. There is no like actual lights up in here. I'm sitting in front of a window on the floor in the guest room. And yeah, this is like the natural, honest outcome that you get for real, for real. I didn't feel like I needed to use the studio light or none of that. Like, I really wanted you to see the energy that God was giving me today, okay? All right, so this is my Crayon case brush. I really like this brush. Like, so this part I use the lighter color, and then this part I'm using the darker color, which is the 360. Just a little bit. Well, that might be too much. Yeah, just a little bit. And then we're gonna go around the face. Don't leave me that guy. Y'all folks be killing me. We walk around here with light faces in a dark bed. Don't. That was too much. Oh shit. Okay, so this is what it's giving. It looks really natural already. And I ain't even did nothing for real yet. Okay, we're gonna go in with the same Fenty concealer, or you can use whatever concealer you got. Remember, this is all I had. So this is what I'm using. And we just go under the eyes. Like so. And I don't do my nose because I like how big my nose is. Y'all be trying to contour the hell out of y'all nose and give people catfish vibes. I don't do that. Like, I like my nose. So I'm gonna keep my nose. Foundation and concealer brush. I think I got this from Publix, okay? That's what y'all don't know. I got it from Publix. And I got my water bottle, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit on the brush to blend it better. Not much, just a little bit, 2 squirts, pop out. And then I'm gonna go under. I think I'm gonna do this one first so y'all can see it. And just tap it. But I think I'm gonna change my concealer because I don't know how I like this Fenty. Like, it looks sticky to me. Like, it do what it wanna do. And I'm all for support my girl. Okay. Really don't know. So what I like to do with my setting powder is from Maybelline, the shade 30. I do have another one over there that I use for my wigs, but it's darker than my skin. So yeah, but I turn it upside down, shake it like 2 or 3 times, and then I open it, and I have product in both. So I just take the top because the top is my best friend, and I just put my sponge in there, and then dab it under my eyes to set my concealer. Not a lot, not too much. So I'm gonna take this. I just got this for like $6 at the Walmart. And it comes, if you don't know how to contour like me, it comes with the steps for you. And this is the medium to dark one. So I'm gonna take the contour color. Oh, all you need is a little bit, honey child. I'm gonna take this little slanted angle brush or whatever, and I'm gonna dust away this little light color dust, because don't nobody want to be looking ghostly. I don't want to be looking casket sharp. Okay, and then with that same brush, I'm gonna go in with the sculpt color, the middle color. I think I got these from BH Cosmetics. These little cute teal brushes. I'm gonna take the highlight color. Actually, wait. I'm gonna take my Anastasia whatever her name is. It's for my face. Alright, so I decided that I'm gonna give y'all a little eye because I don't want to just leave it plain like this. So, for my everyday look, I don't be doing too much with the eyes. Normally, when I go crazy or do glam looks and stuff like that, I put the concealer on my eye, then put the eyeshadow. I'm not doing all that. We ain't got time for all that. So, this is where my secret is. I'm gonna take the contour color, dab a little bit. I'm gonna take this other BH Cosmetic brush to use the sculpt color, just a little bit. I'm gonna go back to this highlight color, a little bit, and then just go under the brow. And then I'm gonna put on some lashes. You know, I'm just gonna do this shit baby, y'all, but I'm gonna do that off camera because I don't know how to do that. If y'all ain't gonna be laughing at me. Yeah.
20 minutes later.
I find out that we doing lashes on. I'm about to show you how I do this eyeliner. Then we're gonna do our lip, and we're gonna call it a day. We gonna break it up, and we're gonna be finished with our like video or whatever. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the outcome. You know, I ain't have to take this face off and redo it a bunch of times. It was just these lashes that got me in a little trouble. But yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this eyeliner from e.l.f. We're just gonna get to it after I open it. This is my first time using this. I don't even know if this works, but I'm gonna give you my actual honest review. Is this eyeliner before I put this on? Because it's like that damn glue. Yeah, it's liquid eyeliner. Okay. Just look kind of blue in the light. I'm not gonna lie to you. AOV, this might be blue. Bro, like, is this blue? I'm about to be pissed. It say midnight, but midnight can be blue or it can be black. Is it true? think it's drawing black. Whatever. Oh, these ones are starting to get on my face. So that means it's time for me to hurry up because it's getting too late. We're gonna take this pen. I got this from the hair store. It's a jumbo lip and eyeliner pencil, and I'm just gonna outline my lips. I'm gonna take this lipstick from LAC, which is, I think it's LA Girl. No, LA Cosmetics, baby. And the color In Love, which is CML 463. 063. Okay, that's the color. This color, this burnish color. And then I'm going to take my crayon case. Marie. It's like a nude color. Okay, it's really pretty. And then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. lip gloss. This was actually clear lip gloss, but by me doing this all the time, it changed the color, so some of y'all like to look like y'all eat chicken. But I ain't one of y'all. I'm just gonna give it a lip gloss to where it looks presentable. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial. If you like this look, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is part 2 of my everyday look. And yeah, just thank you.
You know you ain't pay for this.